So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can 4 ways to use your volume rocker buttons. I mean these two buttons. So first of all go to Play Store and download volume scroll application. This application allow you to scroll. I will show you. So enable all permission. So when it is enabled, I'm going on Google Chrome. So you can see when I use this volume button, so there is nothing. So let's something went wrong here. So I have not given it permission. Volume scroll. Okay. So I have already given. Now I will now go on. Now you can see when I use my volume down buttons, it will go down. When I so you can get an idea now. So how it's works. So next step on the list is cursor control. Cursor control. I have also downloaded it already, so I will open it and I will enable it. Cursor control here, enable. So this app will work like this. See, I will show you how it works. I will open Notepad and when I will type something here. So when I use my volume down button, so it is not. So you can see this when I put my volume button here, it will work like this. So next step on the list is volume unlock. In this, so search for volume unlock, you will got volume unlock. So here this app I have already downloaded. I will open it. So enable this all. When this app will do like this, so check me the permission. I have not given it permission. Okay, so when my screen is off, but when I put this button it will work, but when I use this buttons the screen is not work. You can see this.